FightCamp Boxing Home Gym App. The pros, the cons. You won't believe how fun it can be to throw punches at home until you try FightCamp. This app turns your living room into a boxing studio, complete with interactive workouts and real-time performance tracking. But is it worth the hype? Let's break down the pros and cons. Starting with the pros. FightCamp combines wearable punch trackers, guided classes, and high-energy music to create an addictive boxing experience. The app offers hundreds of workouts from beginner shadow boxing sessions to advanced fight combinations. What makes it stand out is the real-time punch tracking system, which measures speed, accuracy, and output, giving you instant feedback. Another huge advantage is motivation. The app's gamified scoring system pushes you to improve each round, while the leaderboard keeps things competitive. You can even set long-term goals and follow structured programs that build strength, endurance, and agility. Now for the cons. FightCamp's biggest limitation is the upfront cost. The punch trackers and bag setup can be pricey, and the subscription adds a monthly fee. Some users also note that space can be an issue. You'll need enough room to move freely without hitting furniture. Lastly, while the workouts are fun, they focus mostly on boxing, so you may need another app for cross-training or flexibility work. In conclusion, FightCamp is perfect for anyone who wants a high-energy, interactive fitness experience that actually makes working out fun. It's motivating, measurable, and surprisingly effective for building strength and stamina. But if you prefer low-cost or non-boxing workouts, you might want to explore simpler options.